Okay, looking at a large stock dividend here, and we have our ABC Incorporated at 320,000 shares of $2 par value common stock issued and outstanding as of December 15, 2018. Company is authorized to issue 1.3 million common shares, and on the same date they declare a 40% stock dividend when the market value was $7 per share. And that dividend was issued on December 30th. So we need to journalize the declaration and distribution of the stock dividend. And number two is how many shares of common stock are outstanding after this dividend. Well, for number one, we're looking at, again, this is a stock dividend we're talking about, and we need to calculate the value here that we have of this in essence. So this is a large stock dividend. It's 40%. So basically we're looking at par value multiplied by the number of outstanding shares, because when we issue stock dividend, we're basing it, and it's 40%. 40% dividend based on the number of shares that we essentially had, and the value is going to be based on par value. So decimal equivalent of 40% is 0.4. So if we multiply this out, 2 times 320, 640, 40% of that is 256,000. So we will have a stock dividend here. And remember, we're differentiating. This isn't a cash dividend, this is a stock dividend. So we have 256,000 in a stock dividend, and then this is on their common stock, so it's common stock dividend. Remember, now we're looking at distributable. It's not payable because it's not cash. So this is 256. So there's our declaration, and let me change this. This will be on 12/15. This is number one. So there's the declaration. Now when we distribute the stock on 12/30, what we'll have is a debit to our common stock dividend distributable. It means we're fulfilling this liability, if you will. So common stock dividend distributable for 256. And then in this case, we just have common stock. We don't have a paid-in capital here on a large stock dividend in this case. Okay. Now that's number one. Number two, how many shares are outstanding after the dividend? Well, if we look at this, before the dividend we had 320, so we'll write down here, before dividend we had 320,000. 320,000 shares. Okay. Our 40% dividend, we're distributing 40% of those, so that's in essence 128,000 shares we're going to be giving out or distributing in the form of the dividend. So if we add together how many were outstanding beforehand plus how many we distribute, plus the 320, we get 448,000 shares. So this short little video is how we do a large stock dividend. Remember, we don't have our paid-in capital here, and we're basing things off of our par value. So practice your accounting. I will see you next time. Bye.